Bhagat Singh is considered as an Indian socialist and one of the most influential revolutionaries of Indian independence movement. He was involved in two high-profile attacks on British authorities. He is credited with popularizing the catchphrase Inqilab Zindabad. He sacrificed himself for making India independent at the prime of his youth. So, let's remember the icon Bhagat Singh and learn something about him through this quiz. When was Bhagat Singh born? Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in a village of Banga in the Layalpur district of Punjab. Now it is in Pakistan. What were the names of Bhagat Singh's parents? Bhagat Singh's father's name was Kisan Singh Sandhu. Mother's name was Vidyavati. He was the second of 7 children. His parents had 4 sons and 3 daughters. Bhagat Singh attended which school and college? Bhagat Singh was enrolled in the Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School in Lahore. In 1923, he joined the National College in Lahore, founded 2 years earlier by Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh killed British police officer John Saunders to avenge the death of which Indian freedom fighter? The freedom fighter's name was Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh was planning to kill James Scott, but in case of mistaken identity, Singh was signaled to shoot on the appearance of John P. Saunders, an assistant superintendent of the Lahore police. Bhagat Singh, Shivraj Rajguru and Chandrasekhar Azad were part of which revolutionary group? The group name was Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Who accompanied Bhagat Singh in his Central Legislative Assembly bombing? It was Batukeshwar Dutt. Bhagat Singh was kept in which jail before execution? The jail name was Central Jail Mianwali. It is an ancient and historical jail in Mianwali, Punjab, Pakistan, located on Rawalpindi Road, nearly 8 kilometers away from Mianwali city. How did Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt protest against British atrocities in jail? They went into hunger strike, joining another freedom fighter Jatin Das, demanding better prison conditions for Indian prisoners. Bhagat Singh was executed in which case? Bhagat Singh and his associates Shivram Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar were hanged to death in connection with the Lahore conspiracy case. When was Bhagat Singh executed? Bhagat Singh was executed on 23rd March 1931 in Lahore conspiracy case at 7:30 p.m. What was the age of Bhagat Singh when he was executed? At that time, Bhagat Singh's age was only 23. A famous essay was written by Bhagat Singh while he was in Central Jail, Lahore. What is the name of the essay? Why I am an atheist. The essay was a reply to his religious friends who thought Bhagat Singh became an atheist because of his vanity. After his death, the essay was published on 27 September 1931 in Lala Lajpat Rai's English weekly, The People. An 18-foot tall bronze statue of Bhagat Singh was installed at which place? An 18-foot tall bronze statue of Bhagat Singh was installed in the Parliament of India on 15 August 2008. His statue was installed next to the statue of former Prime Minister of India Indira Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. On the 50th death anniversary of Bhagat Singh, a museum was inaugurated in his ancestral village. What's the name of the museum? The name of the museum is Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh Museum. On 50th death anniversary of Bhagat Singh, Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh Museum was inaugurated. The museum exhibits his ashes, blood-soaked sand, and the blood-stained newspaper in which the ashes were wrapped. Bhagat Singh is called as Shahid-e-Azam. What does Shahid-e-Azam mean? Shahid-e-Azam means the great martyr. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.